All right, what's going on, everybody? It is day 2. We are at Lincoln Speedway. We got 410 sprint cars here tonight, UMP modifieds and Legends, Central PA Legend Series. So it should be a pretty good night. Track, they're working the track now. I'll go up here and I'll give you a view of that here later on. We got here about 20 minutes ago. They're working on the car right now. We got it washed up this morning the best we could, quick. We only had about 2 hours to get everything done. We're charging it right now, changing back the adjustments that we made last night, putting it back pretty much to square one. We do that. We're trying to do that every race so that we know how it should be and what we need to change. Like I said, we're working on looking at different stuff right now. Got the pit bike here today. We already used it. Works great. The stands are clear on the other side, so it's going to be good if something happens to Brandon. We can hurry up, jump on it, come down, see what's wrong, change tires, whatever. So anyways, we got a lot of people here today. All the guys, all the girls are out eating lunch in Gettysburg, and then they're going to be coming here soon. Last night finished 8th out of 18, I think there was what there was. So we'll see how we do tonight. I don't know how many modifieds are going to be here. It looks like there's a decent amount. Hopefully we can beat the weather. It's supposed to rain, I think around 8 o'clock. So we'll see if we can beat the rain. I know they moved the start time up. It is practice starts at 3:25, I think, or 3:20, and the main event or the heat start at 4. So hopefully they get the show rolling, get it on the move, and hopefully we don't waste time, and hopefully we have a good night. So we'll see what happens. Once again, thank you to all of our sponsors: Aunt Susie's Vacations, Quality Digital Office Solutions, Dean's Tree Service, Sheffield's Auto Sale, Huckleberry Entertainment, all about road back tools, Barron's Racing Engines, Precision Powder Coating. I don't think I missed anybody, but once again, thank you to everybody, friends, family, obviously the crew. We couldn't do this without them last night. Doing these doubles is sort of strenuous, but it's just what we love to do, so we do it. Like I said, a lot getting done right now. It's 2:28. Practice starts 3:25, I think. So once again, thank you everybody, and stay tuned. We'll do an update just like we did last night. After every race, we'll do an update. I didn't get to do one last night, but like I said, we did good. I mean, didn't tear up the car. Finished 8th, started 10th, moved up a couple spots. Brandon said the car felt good, so we'll go from there. Thank you. Oh, steep. Little mountain gate.
Really like it. Yeah. It looks like turn 2 kind of comes down there. See that?
What do you think, Josh?
That's pretty good.
Juicy.
Juicy.
What do you think, Thomas?
She's gonna be wicked fast.
Wicked fast. All right. So there's the track. This is a big 410 track. They race 410s here pretty much every week. See how it goes. We were here one time last year. We did pretty good. That's really all. I mean, all there is to report right now. Brandon's at a driver's meeting. We pulled a 10, so we'll see where that puts us. Probably start up front somewhere. Probably in the top 3 in the heat, I would imagine. Other than that, there's the pits. Lots of sprint cars, 410s. So we got 410 sprint cars, Mid-Atlantic modifieds, Legends. The pits wrap up around over there. Going into turn 1 now. Going into turn 1's where we'll stand. We run first for practice, first for heats, second for features. 410s are first, but we'll see how it goes tonight. Hopefully we can do decent and go from there, so stay tuned. pushing off. So this road here, this is where the sprint cars push off to warm their motors. They go back to their trailer and they sit, obviously, and they keep the motors warm. Pretty cool. Just got to be very cautious. Definitely pretty cool. 410 sprint cars. I love racing when they're here. Gives a good show. Also works the bumps out of the track. Got a couple big guys here. Gary Madsen, Freddie Raymer. A couple other big guys. Go ahead and get it started there. Locked up, hold up. Kyle Moody. Third. We started third in the heat out of 9 cars, so pretty good. Brandon was racing for second. Almost had him, and then started falling back, started getting a push and being loose, but not a big deal. Here comes old Joshy on the mini bike. No food. Josh has his food in his pocket. Anyways, Josh almost ate it on the mini bike, but other than that, made some adjustments. We're gonna go to the feature and see how we do. Brandon redrew top 3, redrew from each heat. There was 2 heats. Brandon starts 4th out of, I don't know how many there is, 19, 18, something like that, but he starts 4th. So we'll see how it goes. Car is muddy, dusty, muddy. So hopefully you're watching us on Flow Racing tonight. This is one of the times we'll be on Flow Racing for the year, and we'll see how it goes. So like I said, join in. Hopefully the car stays in one piece. Hopefully we can have a decent night here, so stay tuned.
Let me strap the back down tight first.
Loading up to go home. It's drizzling. Brandon started 4th, finished 5th. Very slick track. We messed the setup a little bit. We know what we did wrong, but it's a learning experience. Getting ready to leave. Gonna get out of here before it rains. Doesn't look very good. Rain's knocking on our doorstep, so we're gonna get out of here. Once again, thank you for watching the video. We really appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe to our YouTube, follow our Facebook page, and like our Facebook page. And we will see you next time. Once again, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy the videos. And have a great week, weekend, day, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for joining in. Join us next time.